Imagine a world long ago, filled with giant creatures and ancient forests. We often picture dinosaurs as massive, terrifying beasts, but not all fit that mold. Some, like Incisivosaurus, were small, nimble, and truly peculiar. Its discovery changed how we think about dinosaurs. Incisivosaurus, meaning incisor lizard, had teeth unlike any other dinosaur, large, beaver-like incisors. This odd dental feature set it apart from its relatives and baffled scientists. Why would a dinosaur have teeth like these? What was it eating? The answers revealed a new chapter in dinosaur diversity and evolution. This turkey-sized creature wasn't a mighty hunter or a giant herbivore, but a specialist with a unique toolkit. The story of Incisivosaurus shows how even the smallest fossils can hold the biggest surprises. Prepare to be amazed by the insane biology of this tiny dino. To truly understand Incisivosaurus, we must journey back in time, 128 million years ago, to the heart of the early Cretaceous period, when the world was a very different place. The Earth then was warm and humid, its surface blanketed by dense forests of towering conifers, ancient cycads, and sprawling ferns. These lush woodlands created a vibrant green world teeming with life, where every corner was alive with the sounds and movements of prehistoric creatures. It was also a time of change. Flowers were just beginning to bloom for the first time, introducing new colors and scents to the landscape and providing fresh food sources for insects and small animals. This floral revolution would eventually reshape entire ecosystems. Our destination is the Yixian Formation in northeastern China, a region that has become a treasure trove for paleontologists, revealing secrets of life from millions of years ago. Here, layers of volcanic ash acted like nature's time capsule, preserving plants and animals in extraordinary detail. Fossils from this area show not only bones, but also delicate feathers, skin impressions, and even the last meals of ancient creatures. Incisivosaurus shared its home with a dazzling variety of dinosaurs, tiny feathered relatives darting through the undergrowth, massive plant-eaters lumbering nearby, and pterosaurs soaring overhead, all coexisting in this ancient wilderness. But life here was never easy. Predators lurked in the shadows, always on the hunt, turning every day into a struggle for survival and keeping all creatures alert and cautious. In this bustling competitive ecosystem, every animal needed unique adaptations, specialized teeth, feathers, or behaviors to find food, avoid danger, and carve out a place for itself. Incisivosaurus, with its distinctive teeth and agile body, found its own niche, thriving among fierce competition and adapting to the challenges of its environment. The Yixian Formation gives us a rare window into this ancient world, letting us witness the complex web of life, plants, insects, and dinosaurs all interacting in a delicate balance. By carefully studying these fossils and their surroundings, scientists are able to piece together the story of how Incisivosaurus and its neighbors lived, hunted, and survived. Incisivosaurus wasn't just a skeleton in a museum, it was a living, breathing animal, part of a vibrant world filled with danger, opportunity, and constant change. Thanks to the remarkable fossils preserved in ancient Chinese lake beds, we can now explore these lost worlds and meet the incredible creatures that once thrived there. Incisivosaurus was just one player in this dynamic prehistoric drama, a small but important part of a world that continues to fascinate and inspire us today. The most astonishing feature of Incisivosaurus is, without a doubt, its remarkable teeth, features that have left scientists both puzzled and fascinated for years. When its skull was first unearthed in the fossil-rich rocks of China, paleontologists were stunned to discover two unusually large, rodent-like incisors at the front of its mouth, teeth that looked more at home in a beaver than a dinosaur. Unlike the sharp, blade-like teeth of most theropod dinosaurs, which were perfect for slicing through Incisivosaurus had blunt, peg-like teeth. These were clearly suited for a very different purpose. The incisors showed significant wear, suggesting they were used regularly, much like the ever-growing front teeth of modern beavers, which gnaw on wood and plants. Behind those impressive front teeth were smaller, leaf-shaped cheek teeth. This rare combination of tooth types is almost unheard of in dinosaurs, making Incisivosaurus truly unique. This unusual dental toolkit pointed to a plant-based diet, rather than the meat-eating habits usually associated with theropods. The teeth seemed perfectly adapted for processing tough vegetation. Incisivosaurus likely used its strong front teeth to snip through stems or crack open seeds, then ground up its food with the specialized cheek teeth further back in its mouth. This surprising discovery challenged the long-held belief that all theropods were strict carnivores, forcing scientists to rethink what these dinosaurs ate. It revealed that some theropods evolved to eat plants, flipping our understanding of dinosaur evolution and showing a much more complex family tree than previously thought. Incisivosaurus was an early member of the Oviraptorosaur family, providing evidence that plant-eating habits ran deep in this group long before their more famous relatives appeared. Its strange, almost comical smile became a vital clue, helping scientists unlock the secret lives and unexpected diets of these mysterious dinosaurs. Let's picture the whole animal. Incisivosaurus was small, less than a meter long, about the size of a turkey. Its long tail and lightweight build made it nimble, perfect for darting through undergrowth. Fossils from the Yixian Formation reveal that it and its relatives were covered in simple, downy feathers. These feathers provided insulation, much like a chick's fluff. Its unique teeth point to a diet of tough plants, roots, seeds, and possibly nuts. Incisivosaurus was likely a herbivore, or at least an omnivore, with a strong preference for plants. By adapting to eat plants, it avoided competition with other small meat-eaters. This dietary shift is a fascinating example of evolution in action. Incisivosaurus represents one of the earliest experiments in herbivory among theropods. Its success paved the way for its Oviraptorosaur descendants. Placing Incisivosaurus in the dinosaur family tree, it stands out as a true original. Unlike many of its relatives, this small dinosaur occupies a unique position, both in appearance and evolutionary significance. Its closest relatives, the Oviraptorosaurs, are known for their toothless beaks and bird-like features, which hint at the evolutionary path toward modern birds. Incisivosaurus, however, had a full set of bizarre, prominent teeth, making it a crucial transitional fossil that helps paleontologists understand how beaks evolved from toothed ancestors. It provides a rare glimpse into what these dinosaurs looked like before they fully evolved beaks, capturing a moment of evolutionary change. By comparing Incisivosaurus to its later relatives, scientists can trace the gradual steps from a toothed snout to a bird-like beak, revealing the slow transformation over millions of years. Its gnawing front teeth closely resemble those of rodents, a fascinating example of convergent evolution, where unrelated animals develop similar features to solve similar problems. Incisivosaurus was, in many ways, the dinosaur equivalent of a gnawing mammal, yet its feathery covering unmistakably connects it to the earliest birds, showing how traits can overlap across species. It's part of the remarkable lineage that eventually led to modern birds, with its simple feathers representing an important stepping stone on the path to flight and avian diversity. In this one extraordinary creature, we see a combination of rodent-like teeth, a classic dinosaur body, and a bird's fluffy coat, blending features from three worlds into a single animal. This unique mix of characteristics makes Incisivosaurus a true scientific treasure, offering clues to the mysteries of evolution. It bridges crucial gaps in our understanding of how dinosaurs gradually transformed into birds, helping us piece together the grand story of life on Earth. The story of Incisivosaurus began in 2002. In China's Yixian Formation, paleontologists uncovered a nearly complete skull and partial skeleton unlike any seen before. The skull's enormous incisors immediately stood out. Named Incisivosaurus gauthieri, it honored both its teeth and a pioneering paleontologist. The discovery excited scientists, a primitive Oviraptorosaur with a mouthful of strange teeth. Detailed study revealed wear patterns and jaw structure, confirming its plant-eating habits. This single fossil became a missing link, reshaping our understanding of dinosaur evolution. Imagine Incisivosaurus in motion, a fast runner, darting through prehistoric undergrowth. Its speed was its main defense, zigzagging to escape predators. Its name helps clear the egg thief reputation of its relatives, showing early Oviraptorosaurs were plant eaters, not nest raiders. Feathers weren't for flight but for warmth, like a permanent down jacket. Feathers may have also been used for display, just as birds do today. Incisivosaurus lived among a diverse community of feathered dinosaurs, from tiny to giant. The Yixian formation was a feathery, vibrant ecosystem, more like a world of birds than scaly monsters. Incisivosaurus was just one citizen of this amazing kingdom. Its quirky features make it a standout in dinosaur history. While giants like T-Rex capture our imagination, Incisivosaurus teaches a different lesson. Evolution isn't just about size or strength, it's about unique adaptations. With its bizarre teeth, Incisivosaurus carved out a special niche. It shattered the myth that all theropods were meat eaters, proving herbivory evolved early in this group. As the most primitive oviraptorosaur, it anchors our understanding of this family's evolution. Its feathered body and bird-like traits highlight the deep connection between dinosaurs and birds. Incisivosaurus reminds us that even the smallest fossils can rewrite history. Its legacy proves that the tiniest creatures can leave the biggest mark.